morning, McAllen ISD librarians. I'm going to show you how to download Marc records. Now, you should already have created a file folder on your desktop for Marc records. And once you do that, and you go into your email where the records are, you're going to drag and drop the records. And do you see where this says 330 bytes and this one says 13 KBs and this says Marc? This is the one that you want, the one that says Marc Records. So we're going to drag and drop that over to the folder. And then we're going to go in and we are going to open up our tidal wave. Not our tidal wave, our Destiny. And so you can get into your catalog. And I'm going to open up Kathy's file for her school, and I'm going to log in using my credentials. You will log in using your credentials, and then we're going to upload the records. We go into catalog, and we do import records. Now, do you see where it says assign copy information? This is very important. You want to do this step. You're going to update it. And you first go, and you don't do the sublocation. You can if you want, but remember, this is going to go to everything that is in this file. So those of you that have Johnified libraries, you don't want to put in mysteries unless you know all of them are mysteries. But you're going to put in the vendor. We have been doing this for a while so that we know whose books are on the shelf. And then we're going to put in our purchase order number to go into the books. Well, I've already downloaded these books, other books for this order. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to find the right purchase order, which is P181470, and I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to say save. Okay, so then I say okay. And then it's going to bring up the rest of the information. Now, do you see where it says choose file? We're going to import the file here. So we're going to open up our attachments, and we are going to say open. And then we click preview. And it shows that it is pending in district preview. And you can click results list. And it will show you what it's doing. Now, once you have it in the preview, you go in and you preview it. And if it is acceptable, there is a button that says import, and you import the records. Okay? And so that is how you download when it is in your email. Now we're going to go over to Tidal Wave. And we're going to download records from Follett. Everybody can do this themselves. And I have, and for your information, how to get into the district tidal wave is McAllen ISD. Oh, I'm sorry, it's McAllen 1. And then right now it's 600 Tamarack, but I'm going to change that. I'm going to make it something easier. And then you sign in. And do you see where it says order history? Right here in the center of your account order history saved list, you're going to go down to Marc Records. And you can see that all these records have been downloaded. You see where it says history, 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 and we can view it. And if you had to download something, it would be here and it would show you that you can download it. But this one is already done. So next we're going to go into Bound to Stay Bound. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to log in, and then we would go in and it will show us the different ones. I will have all of these logins for you so that you can do this yourself. It is still under Velma Gonzalez's name. And I will get it changed to a generic one. And so everybody can use it. Oh, the password failed. So I will show you how to do Bound to Stay Bound another time. That is basically how you do any and all downloads. If you see where it says download again, I can open up download again and I can download the records. Now you have to, in this one, have to move it over to your file folder. Now remember, it would have been, you want to go ahead and change the name of this. If you look at the download Marc records, it shows you what your purchase order number is. And so we would put that as the file name so that you know what you've done. So we're going to go over here. I copied down this purchase order because that is what I downloaded. And we are going to go into our file folder and we're going to change this name. And it's going to be P1814105. And if you want to add Follett, it's a good idea so that you know, okay, which one is who. So Follett. And then we go back to our title, Job Manager, Tidal Wave. And we are going to download the records. And this is in Castañeda. And so we're going to do catalog and import records. Again, we need to import, we need to put in that it's from Follett. Go down and find Follett. And you're going to put in the purchase order number. But I've already downloaded this, but I'm going to use it and show you what you need to do. P1814105. And it's going to show that it already exists. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to find it. It doesn't hurt if you've already done it. You just go and find it. And see how I had put AV in one and nothing in the other one, so I'm going to accept the one that does not say AV, and I'm going to say OK. And now I'm going to choose the file, and I am going to get the one that says Follett, and I'm going to open it, and I'm going to say preview. Okay, someone is doing something in our Follett catalog that is keeping me from downloading this. Do you see where it says pending right here? Somebody's doing a job, and so I cannot finish this, but I will come. If you look right here, here is where I uploaded these records. So we're going to view the preview. And right here, it shows that we have good records. This shows all the different records. And you notice it says duplicate. Well, it's because she already had that title and the added ones. Those are new. If it's added, that means it's new. And this is the import key that I was telling you about. You would go in and import that. But I've already imported it. So we are going to go back to the job manager, and we're going to go down here and look at title import where I imported it earlier, and see it says added. Now what's nice about this, if there's something that you're wanting to do, like this, the family under the bridge, if this is your second or third copy, you can go in and edit copy from here, and you can add the copy notes or anything that you want to do. You can put copy 2 right here or whatever you want to do, and you just say save copy, and it takes you back to the records. It's really a nice feature. So if you forgot to add the copy information, the purchase order, this is where you can put it in individually, or you can go in and delete it and start over. And it's a real simple solution. If you have any questions, call me and I will help you. Now, you notice that you can do Destiny. You can catalog it, and you can do original cataloging. And that's for another time. I'm just showing you how to download right now that we receive from the companies. But if you want to do original cataloging, you start here and you say add a title. All right? So this is when you get books out of the book fair or whatever. But you 9 times out of 10, we're going to have it in the catalog, and so you can just add a copy. If you have any questions, give me a call, okay? Remember, our number is 618-6067.